Hi folks, Scott Kelby here, and it is time for your Lightroom Tip Tuesday. And today we're going to look at one of the things that might make working in your Lightroom Develop module might make your workflow a little faster. Let's go with that. And that is you can reorder your panels. Yeah, they come in a default order, but you don't have to have them that way. So for example, let's look here in Lightroom. Let's say that you use the effects panel a lot, but it's all the way down here towards the bottom. Well, you can change that by just right clicking, or if you're on a Mac, control clicking if you don't have a 2-button keyboard. Go over here and choose Customize Develop Panel, and it brings up this little window. Now, there's two things you can do here. You can hide any of these you don't use. Let's say you don't use the calibration panel. You can just hide it from view and then it won't any longer be seen. But you can also go click and drag the effects panel way up towards the top. So if you use that a lot, now it winds up there. Good news is you hit save and it reorders those. And if you ever decide, you know what, I wish I'd never done that, just go back to the same place and hit default order and it puts them back in the original order. And that, my friends, is your Lightroom Tip Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching.